So to repair those holes that the plumbers made in the foundation to do their thing, we use a product called Deep Patch, and it's for anything that's deeper than an inch thick. And it's made by Surecrete, and it's a high strength patch product. Like it a lot. So that's what we're using in the video there. If you like the content, like and subscribe, huh? All right, have a great day. Take my little scooper, my booper. Yeah? You got a rag on you? Take my little scooper, my booper. You don't want to overdo it right away now. No, you can't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. Zach, rag me. You always want to make sure you have an assistant ready to go. Right, looks like we need a little more. They're getting the shaky cam version, Zach. Now you want to be careful that you don't overfill it. And if you do, you just take the stone to it and do a little stony baloney action. Look at all that cream coming to the top. Look at all that cream coming to the top, Zachy. What do you think? What do you think, Zach? Let me show a little more down in there. Down yonder. Yeah, I got 10 years experience. All the guys with 20 years experience are gonna be eating my ass in the video, yeah? You got no commentary to that, Zachy? No personalities around here. Voila, let it dry. Hit it with the rub rock, little stony baloney action as we call it. Good as new. All right, so we have another area that needs to be filled in with the patch. Hitting it, the bonding agent with a paintbrush. All right, my assistant Zachy is hitting that with the bonding agent. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill this with the patch. My God, Zach, I forgot the rag. My God. Once again, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Make sure it's good in there. Come back and clean up all that cosmetics later. Don't want to go too high. That looks about good. Now I'm gonna hit it with the trowel. Get that cream to the top. Let it dry, hit it with a little stony bologna. All right, let's move on to the next one. Grab my patch, pour it in.
Watch the plumbers cut these holes to get to those pipes. Back up. Like, what are the chances that both holes have pipe showing? You know, make you think, right?
That's a good question. But we're doing our job, so fuck the plumbers.
Nah, he would have mentioned it. He would have been like, my guy.
No, they're done. They're done running their plumbing. That's why they.
Hence the drywall.
That's why they.
Hence the drywall.
Is that why the drywall's there?
And the electrical wires. Yeah. There's your commentary. There's your comment.
There you go. Zach has some commentary, guys. You know, he's starting to get a personality. Good. Makes me happy. Oh yeah, look at that. My hand's like a natural float, bro. You know, who needs a float when you got hands like mine? Oh no, I'm cleaning her up with the trowel. Oh, Zach's getting troweling now. Be patient with him. He's still rookie on the trowel, man. You see it? Good job, Zachy.
Where's the other one?
That should be it.
I don't have to do that on the cracks, right?
There's a divot in the other room, but I think we can use the spray for that. And no, we don't use this on the cracks. I don't know. I feel like I need to go. That one's good. That one's perfect. This one, I feel like I need to go a little bit more in there. I'm gonna put a tad bit more. I'm gonna put a tad bit more and push it back in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, went a little overboard with the trowel there. All right, now we wait for those to dry up. Hit it with the stony bologna. You're good to go.